It's Sunday, so I'm back at the Mountain Brook track training for the senior games. Next Saturday, I'll qualify to run the 50, the 100, and the 200 for the state of Alabama in the Senior Olympics. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is something that I think that is a very overlooked opportunity for building a database, and that's LinkedIn. Of all the social media platforms, I think LinkedIn is the least understood, at least of the substantial ones. I've built it's up to about a 1,500 name database with email addresses through LinkedIn. And how I've done it is I started by uploading my email lists into LinkedIn. And as a result of that, LinkedIn then gives me the ability to connect with all of those people. I've given them a name and an email address. So anybody that's on my email list that's on LinkedIn is now available for me to connect with. So I go into their section and it says invite or message. Always choose message. I choose message, and then it allows you to send them about a 250 character message. Basically tell them I'm a real estate agent in Birmingham. I specialize in the sale of luxury homes. I'd like to be your source for current information on the Birmingham real estate market. Press connect. You'll find that probably most of the people that you connect with, and particularly you're focusing on the people that are from your community, in my case, Birmingham. Most of them will connect with you. After you've gathered some of them, go back into LinkedIn, pick out the ones that are the most influential. Maybe it's somebody that you've already sold a house for, or you've had some dealings with. Go to that person's, type their name in when you go to network. It'll show everybody that you're connected with. Type their name in the search column and click on that. That will bring up their profile. On the top right, over on the just above or below the menu bar, you're going to see something that says look at their connections. Click on that. What that will do is it'll bring up everybody that they're connected with. What we're going to do now is create a lookalike audience. We're going to connect with all of their connections who live in our community, Birmingham, and it's going to give you the same opportunity to send them a message as it did the first time you went around. So again, basically tell them what you're doing, that you're a real estate agent in your community and you'd like to be their source for current information on the real estate market. Okay, let's assume that most people have somewhere in the neighborhood of 300 connections. And again, you really only want the ones that are in your community. So if you have 100 and you can get 20 from each of those people, do the math. You're going to build a lookalike audience very, very quickly, and they're going to be people who are similar to the people that you've been doing business with. Okay, once they connect with you, you then go in and pull up their name, and you have the opportunity to send them a message. This message, once they're connected with you, it can be of any length you want. So this is a TV commercial. You're going to write in Word a TV commercial of your value proposition, how you are different than any other realtor in the community. Mine basically is something like, are you looking for a real estate agent that'll do more than just put a sign in your front yard and create an MLS listing? Are you looking for a real estate agent who will do social media advertising, local, conventional advertising, and promote and sell your home? Are you looking for a real estate agent who will show up for every one of your showings and sell your house for you? That's my value proposition. So that's what you want to write into this note. Okay? You might even mention that you're working with somebody that maybe, or have worked with somebody that they know. Write that into Word so that as you go through this list of people that you've now connected with, you can just merely copy and paste it into your message, write in their name to make it somewhat personal, and you create a connection. Do this for a couple of weeks. Build a list of, say, 500 people. This is a wonderful base. Okay, once you do that, now go back to your LinkedIn site, and under Network, it is going to show you that you have 500 connections. Again, over on the right-hand side, it's going to say Sync or Manage Your Connections. Press on that. You're going to go to a page, and in the middle of the page, it's going to give you the opportunity to export your connections. You're going to click on that, and it's going to create a CVS Excel file, and that file is going to contain their name, their address, and their email address, and a bunch of other information that's on their profile page. Eliminate everything other than their name, their address, and their email address. Now take this and upload it into your client resource management, your iUse Constant Contact. You now have an email list that you can email these people on a regular basis, once a week, and to give them some current information, just what you promised you would do for them on the current real estate market. If you'll do this, it is equivalent to buying TV commercials. Send them good information. Send them content that is going to make a difference in their life, and you will become the real estate agent of choice in your community. That's what we're ultimately trying to do. We're not trying to sell homes. We're trying to sell ourselves. We're trying to sell our brand, that we are different and we are better than your other choices. So that was a trip around the track. That's my message for this week. Use LinkedIn. It is a tremendous tool that is totally overlooked. Okay, next Saturday I have to qualify, so I'll let you know next Sunday how I did. Until then, learn how to use LinkedIn. As I told you last time, I'm writing a book. It'll explain all this, and it should be out sometime in August. Good luck to you.